All right, I'm going to show you guys how this thing works. First of all, you charge it on this one side here. And we've charged it up a little bit, not a whole bunch. It's a little hard to get open. You can use it as a charging block with the larger USB, or you can use the USB-C to charge it. So that closes that up, right? Keeps it nice and done. Then if you look at here, this is the universal on and off button. Just turn it on, you got to press and hold it. And then it comes on. Now, if I do a short press, it'll switch to higher temperature. And then back down. And then to turn it off, I just press it here. And it goes off. And I can already feel it heating up. Let's go ahead and turn around. I got to press and hold. 1001, 1000. All right, now it's going to heat up. So I'm going to go ahead and hang on to it. Yeah, it's heating up already. It doesn't take long. So you can feel it. On the front, no. On the back is where you feel it, on this side. And it warms up quick. Let's go one more. We'll go even higher. Let's go super high. That's hot. I mean, it's almost like it feels like it could burn my hand. I think I'm going to go back down. Because that did feel very hot. And that's basically how you use it. And I'm just going to go ahead and turn her off. Yeah, and you got a little thing I put on here so that you can put it on your wrist. So yeah, that's basically it. I mean, pretty simple. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos and stuff like this.